A broken tailgate latch on your Silverado is incredibly frustrating, but swapping the handle bezel with a flathead screwdriver will fix it in just a few minutes. This simple repair restores the function of your tailgate without requiring an expensive trip to the dealership. We are going to walk through the exact steps to remove the cracked housing and install a fresh bezel safely. You only need one basic hand tool to get this job done right in your driveway. The first thing you need to do is lower the tailgate if it still opens, or access the handle mechanism from the outside. The bezel is the plastic trim piece surrounding the handle lever that often becomes brittle and cracks over time. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver behind the edge of the old bezel to gently pry it away from the metal tailgate surface. Take your time during this step to avoid scratching the paint or bending the internal latch rods. Once you have the top edge lifted, work the screwdriver around the perimeter of the bezel to release the retaining clips. There are usually 2 clips on the top and 2 on the bottom holding the plastic housing firmly in place. Applying steady and even pressure will pop these clips loose without breaking the tabs off inside the door shell. Pull the old bezel completely off the handle and set it aside. With the bezel out of the way, you can clearly see the metal tailgate handle and the locking mechanism underneath. Inspect the area to ensure the actual metal handle and the connecting linkage rods are still intact and functioning correctly. If the rods are disconnected, you can easily snap them back into their retaining clips before moving on to the final step. Cleaning the metal surface behind the bezel will also help the new piece seat perfectly flush. Now take your brand new replacement bezel and align it over the metal tailgate handle mechanism. Make sure the handle lever slides smoothly through the center opening of the plastic trim. Push the bezel firmly against the tailgate starting from the bottom edge and working your way up to the top. You will hear a distinct clicking sound as each of the plastic retaining clips locks into the metal cutouts of the tailgate. Give the edges of the new bezel a firm press all the way around to confirm it is seated tightly against the paint. Test the tailgate latch by pulling up on the handle to ensure it engages the rods and releases the side latches properly. The handle should feel solid and return to its resting position smoothly without catching on the new plastic trim. Your truck is fully repaired and ready to haul cargo again safely.